What's up, guys? Brandon here, and this is a 36-point shot opening called Grimmsnarl VMAX 31th booster pack. If I previously shared before faster for a job, so back already. So I'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys, I'm back. So here's the white green code card. It's the front, and then back to QR code as well. So I probably might put it right over there. So yeah. Keep saying this. Okay. Right there. Okay. Alright, so we got a Golett, Skitty, Dino, Jigglypuff, Dunsparce, Mr. Energy with Grass type energy, I think so. Simi's here, Lutenon, Sariva, Solrock, a rare. We got a basic clear surface VHP 100 Metal type energy V card. Yo, that's so cool. So let's read it. Basic Glaring Surface V. This is HP 100 HP itself. 200 Metal type energy. Restricted to moves. Ability Metal Skin. This Pokemon gets plus 20 health for each HP for each Metal type energy attached to it. And Trapping Bite. 60 damage. Wow! During your opponent's next turn, if this Pokemon is damaged by an attack, damaged by an attack, even if it is knocked out, put 12 damage counters on the attacking Pokemon. So it's a basic Galarian Surface V rare, 100 HP, top 200 Metal type energy, Steel type, I think. That's my collection. But yeah, today's Friday, by the way, guys. Yeah. I'm also glad I just pulled the Galarian Surface V. Here, I'll show you. 3, 2, 1. Boom! That's so cool. Alright, I will do the 36 Pokemon booster pack opening called Grimmsnarl VMAX 32th booster pack. This week, this Saturday. I'll let you guys know. Smash like button, subscribe to my main YouTube channel called Brandon Dayanan, subscribe, please. I'm at 62 right now, so please 600 subscribe for me. That means a lot. New videos every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and like 7 days, like uploads. Alright, bye. This is Brandon Dayanan.